All right, let's get into this. So I'm doing October review to see, as you know, I calculated my profits and I made about $4,000 this month. It was a pretty good month. Um, but now I want to go through um, all of October, see where my mistakes lie, if I made any mistakes that I didn't see before. And I'm gonna do this week by week for every video because every video is gonna be pretty long. It's probably gonna be like 30 to 40 minutes per video because I'm trying to review everything like I would in the actual day. So, first we're doing the first week of October. Um, so here we go. So October 1st, we had a 4-hour bearish SMT with a 4-hour liquidity sweep bullish, more leaning towards bullish. An hour bullish with an hour liquidity sweep. 1 hour equilibrium, 5-minute order block, 1 minute break of structure. Huh? I'm already retarded. What the fuck? This isn't even the first confluence I could use. Order blocks I don't even use anymore. This is crazy. Hold on. Let's review this shit, motherfucker, because this is some bullshit right here. Hold on. Let's go to the hourly. Let's go to indicators. Bring our indicator here. Make sure we're in Chicago time. And then I gotta go to the actual indicator and change it. God damn it, I gotta change this shit. Hold on. Let me just make sure. Let me go to the 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah, because fuck no. I mean, technically, this is New York session, but it's really not, bro. This is not how I use it. Let's pull up my trading view, see where my numbers are. Hold on. Not right now. I gotta clear this. God damn it. God damn it. Okay, so we want this to end at 8:30. London session. Oh, it just froze. So we got London session. Well, New York session, right? It doesn't matter. I don't want the New York session lines, and I want the opacity to be nothing. Doesn't matter what the New York session is. London session, I want to end at 8:30. It ends at 5 a.m. right now, which means 3 hours and 30 minutes. That's 13:30. Correct? Yeah. Why is New York session still here? Oh no, I know why. Hold on. Style. New York, get the fuck off. Okay. When does it start? I want it to start at. It starts at 1 a.m. I want it to start at 3:30. It starts at 2 right now, so an hour and a half. Okay. Beautiful. Oh, I gotta change this one as well. Hold on. I be forgetting you gotta change both charts. And this one I want to start at 5. Is it 5 p.m.? No, it's 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. Okay. Starts at 7 p.m. Ends at midnight. I don't like that, brother. Let me get 6 a.m. Okay, 8:30, 13:30. Okay, got it. $13.30. 6. New York lies off. New York off. Okay. Alright. Alright, okay. Now that we have all of the settings done, now we need to go through and see what the fuck. Hold on. Let's go to 9:30. Okay. Yes. Beautiful. Okay. Cool. Let's mark out our sessions. Okay, session highs, session lows. Alright, okay, stop it. Alright. Session high right here. Made equal highs on ES, didn't make equal highs on MNQ. Okay, well, I can tell you right now what the fuck happened. We had a liquidity sweep at the bottom here, but we'll go through it before I even mark those out. Let's just fucking review. Let's get our sessions first before I fully review. Okay. Alright, let's go to the hourly. Alright, hourly. What do we have? Okay. So, here's the thing, right? We have this bearish SMT, but we know it's already been completed. Oh, oh shit. Hold on. Gotta change this too. We know it's already been completed because we make this, and it would have to go down to here. So this SMT has already been done. Okay. We don't have to worry about that. But what we do, what I see here is I see this low get swept, and now we're going up. Okay. So my presumption would be that this is a high time frame liquidity sweep that already happened. Okay. I gotta mark these as well because they haven't been taken out yet. Okay. We'll mark out this one as well. Mark out this one as well. Those are the big ones, it seems like. But again, we know that pre-market if we have a pre-market liquidity sweep that oh, hold on, we're on the hourly. Let's go to 4 hours, see if we have anything different. We don't, but it's good to see. Nothing that I can see. Yeah. Alright, we gotta do this bullshit again because motherfuckers are upset. Okay, cool. So we're marking out 5-minute lows, right? Because we're thinking we're going up. So high, high. Okay, those are like the big prominent ones before we hit London session low. Okay. So I wouldn't be surprised though if we go below London low, sweep all this liquidity right here, maybe even sweep this and one of them doesn't, and then we start going up. But let's see what happens. Okay. Oh shit. Yeah. Well, we make a bearish SMT that we see here, 5-minute. Oh. Shit, sorry. Make a bearish SMT. And we swept that 5-minute low. Okay. So now we'd be looking for, because pre-market, we might be looking for. Ew! Stop with the fucking ew, bro. The fuck, man. Nasty shit. Oh fuck. We're not even looking for that. That's not even. I need the GAN box. Okay. We're gonna be looking for that to go in betwixt. Get that little equilibrium right there. Oh, these? Get the fuck out of here. Forgot to delete these. Okay. Okay. Let's raise it a little higher. Okay. Now we've made this 5-minute fair value gap. Do we have an hourly fair value gap that I didn't mark? No, we have one down here. What about on here? No. Everything's covered. Just the one down here. Okay. Oh, look at that. We hit it. It is a little spooky though, so. But we do. Oh, it does. It sweeps these again. Let's see. Actually, we'll wait. Right there would be our entry. We inverse this for value gap right here. Oh my god, dude. What the fuck? No, turn the border purple, bro. Jesus. Turn the background purple. Middle line, yes. Save as. Alright. Okay. That's our entry, though. I don't know when I entered on the one before. So there's a couple things we could actually do. This is like the good play. Like this is not even this. It's below equilibrium. It's below this. This is probably, if we wanted to go a little bit safer, we can go below this low. But I'm gonna go below this low and risk what I usually risk, which is 1,000 per. Actually, hold on, wait. We don't want to. That's what I'm doing wrong. I'm doing this wrong. M and Q. This is the leading index. God damn it. We'll wait for this to break. There we go. I mean, we got it for a bad price, but that's fine. We'll go below this low right here. Again, if we want to be safe, we can go below this low. It's a different low, but I mean, we're going all the way up to, seems like this. There's this high right here that we can go. This will be our first take profit. We're just going to take two take profits. Also, when did I enter? On here? 904. I already, like, we'll have to see. Let's see how it works. Okay. Let's leave this. Place order. And we've already been going for 12 minutes. See what I'm saying? This is going to take a while, bro. Okay. Advanced order. Risk 1%. 57 ticks. 100 ticks. Yes. 14 MES. Beautiful. Let's see what happens. Okay. Make a big wick. That first line right there is first take profit. Right there is where first take profit would be hit. Okay, close half your position. Move stops to break even. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. 1.75. 1.75 to 1. Made 1,300. So, I know here I risk more than 1%. I think I risk 1.5%. Okay. So, October 2nd I didn't trade because too many things being different with the government shutdown. I don't have a full prediction of where the market is going to go. There was a 4-hour SMT and a 1-hour breakup structure at the same time, and it looked like there was going to be consolidate in the middle of the rest of the day. I don't feel confident in any way to trade, so today is a no trading day. Okay. I do want to review that just to see what I saw, right? So we have 9:30 the next day. See what's going on here. Okay. 5 minute. God damn it. Stop doing that shit, please. It's never gonna stop, but it just annoys me. Okay. Sessions are done. Let's go to the 4-hour. Okay. Mega bearish. We swept these lows. You see where I saw the liquidity sweep? Look at that. Swept the lows. Well, we saw it here, but... Oh, no, we saw it here. Yeah. We saw it here. Swept the lows. Big ass liquidity sweep. So we're still looking to be bullish there. From what I see. And we made... Ooh, okay, hold on, wait. No, we're good. Okay, so I did see this 4-hour bearish SMT, but it's already been completed. This low's already been swept. So, fine there. Only thing I'm a little bit hesitative of is right here. Oh, boom. Okay. Maybe we start sweeping this, but we'll see. But from what I see, we're mega bearish. Let's see the hourly. What's the hourly looking like? Hourly looking pretty fine too. I mean, there's nothing like too crazy. Looks like we're at all-time highs here. I think we are. Okay. Yes. Alright. Cool. Let's go. Let's see why I didn't trade. Here's the thing. I just don't know what the fuck. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, first thing I see is, did we sweep? Oh, god damn it. Alright. No, we didn't. Okay. We swept London at the same time, but we didn't sweep these hourly lows at the same. Oh no, yeah, we did. Okay, everything is in sync right now. Okay. We didn't. Okay. Here's our SMT that we're looking for. We have a bullish SMT right here. And this is, okay, I think this is why I said four-hour SMT on 1-hour bearish break of structure. Why would I not trade off of the bearish? I mean, I guess, yeah, I think I just got spooked by this here. And it only broke on one index. But I think I just got spooked, low-key. I wouldn't be surprised. We can see what happens, though. So... God damn it. Stop it, you motherfucker. Yeah. The first thing I see is, you know, we didn't sweep lows on here, so... Let's go to GAN box. Which we already might have a fucking... This is our entry. This is the break of structure right here. Put our stops below this. Again, if we want to be safer, we could put it below London, but I mean Asian, but this is a good one. This is good right here. And then we'll have right here be our second taper, or second taper. Okay. I just want to see how we look on the 1 minute here. It looks better on this, but god damn. If I could shoot higher, I would wait for this to be fully broken out of this, but I can't really. Because here's the thing, I'm afraid that I see this right here, this big consolidation pool, and I'm afraid that even with this 1 minute break of structure, it's gonna come down, sweep this, and then go up. So just to be safe, I'm gonna put it below Asian lows. Yes, it's a 1.5. It's a little worse of a risk to reward, but it's safer. And to be honest, I'd rather play safer in this moment, from what I see. Okay. 1%, 50, 738. This looks good to me. All right, so we're looking to hit this first. So, see what happens. Okay, tagged out. That's okay. We didn't get tagged out on here. Right there is our second entry. This one I'm not gonna mark or anything, but I mean, I guess I will, but not going into it with a fresh brain. 28 MES. See what happens. Okay, it's a good thing I didn't trade, isn't it? I would have lost twice. Okay, we're gonna go back there. Okay. All right. Cool that. Cool that. All right. Didn't trade. Makes sense why. But I think on S&P or on Nasdaq. No. Yeah, it did kind of just consolidate the whole time, didn't it? Okay, that's a good thing to learn. That's a good thing that I seen. 4 hour and hourly, same time. Likely chance of bullshit. All right, it's fine. Let's go to the next day. And let's see what I said. Okay. Got a good bullish liquidity sweep, followed all my rules, so I put in a trade. It hit my first TP, but didn't remove me from my trade. It hit my stop loss because I was asleep, not on the charts. But that would have happened instead of a minus 1,000. I would be in the money and move my stops to break even. I was never alerted that, so I'm not gonna count that. It's 500 plus 500 a day. That's only fair, which is true. I wouldn't be surprised if I was asleep, motherfucker. That overnight shit kills you. Okay, cool. Let's see what's going on. I can't fully call this a liquidity sweep here. We'd have to see. There's definitely not a liquidity sweep pre-market from what I see. For our lows and highs, low. Can't really mark anything else lower than that. What we got here? We got this low. We got this low. And then we got this low right here. And right, nothing else. Okay. Even though that's not really a low. I'm not gonna count that. It's whatever. I'll count it if we start going bearish on the day. Alright. Let's see what's going on. Again, we hit a high, but we're bullish. So, as we can see here. Yes, we broke structure here. But Not really anything crazy. Can we please show? Because I want to show what I'm seeing. I see this. I see. Sweet. Maybe it was before. Maybe it was a pre-market. But anyways, S&P looks way better here than it does on NASDAQ. NASDAQ looks like some bullshit. Okay. But we'll have to see. Okay, there's our inverse for value gap right here. This one. Okay. Also, SMT here that we see. Big one. We have this low had been swept right here. We're just gonna go all the way to the low here. And this low was made right here. So we have a big SMT here. Probably gonna keep going up. We also have an SMT bearish. So I guess technically it could go either way, but the way it's looking, it looks like we're going up. We'd also be looking to we might have missed our entry. What time did we enter here? 9:54. Looks like. It's not even 9:54 yet. But we might have missed our entry already. Cause look, I just want to see. Okay, so we had the SMT get swept right here. This is when it got swept initially, and it was right here when it did that, making a low. So then we'd be marking out 50% here at the bottom of where we believe the pre-market sweep is. Yeah, we missed it. We missed it here. Let's go back. Let's go back. See, this is what happens when you go too fast. Happens sometimes. Happens to the best of us. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay. Break of structure right there. Okay, now you could be pretty. This is the most safe right here, but again, we don't know where the fuck we're targeting, so you can't really risk there, because our only target would be like day high, and then second take profit being there, or first take profit being here, second take profit being there. So this is where we would go here. Okay. Even though that is a horrible fucking whatever though. Just take out half. There we go. That'd be my trade for the day. Because there's not really much to target here. We got London highs, we got daily high. Other than that, bro, not much to target. That would be my target there. So how much did I win on that trade? Risking 1,000. Okay, 1190. How much did I make here? 491, and it's because I had already kind of missed 954. Let me go to 950. Jesus fucking Christ! Move this down. Holy fuck. Okay, let's go to 954. See what I saw that I. Yeah, look at this shit. What the fuck? What am I putting a trade in? Bro, we already missed the fucking move. At this point, we already missed the move. 954 right here. This is where I put in the trade. What was my last confluence? I didn't even break structure. I made equals. Unless we're talking about NQ. I see what I marked here. I had this fair value gap tapped into it. If that's what I see. Equilibrium, I guess. 5-minute breakup structure. It must have been this. Equilibrium right here. 1-minute breakup structure. So yeah, I got in here. I would be targeting. Yeah, that makes. Oh, it's because I'm not done with this shit yet. Yeah. Okay. Makes sense. But, yeah, no. This is not. I was too late. This is another trade where I think I wasn't meeting with TJ right now. But again, this is what, maybe a week or two into learning this shit. So I'm not upset at myself. But note to self. This right here. This right here. Both of these were wrong at time. They were wrong times. This one was I put in at 8:57. This one I put in at 9:04. This one I put at 10:08 or 9:08. This one I put in at 9:54. It's showing New York time. Okay. So that's the first week done. Let's write. I do want to write what I see now. Okay. Wrong entry time. What's another thing I see? Wrong order of wrong order of confluences. Equilibrium. God damn it. Oh shit. No. Equilibrium should not be first. And then must have okay, and then 4-hour SMT was already completed. Shouldn't have to worry about it. Okay. That's what I seen for that day. For this day, it was right analysis. With high time frame confluences going against each other, it's harder and longer for the market to make a decision. Okay. All right. So this is correct. Okay, and then today, this was way too late of a trade. Way too late of a trade. Should have seen the SMT that was formed. Though hold on, what else? Hold on. Seeing that the SMT was formed, what else? I don't know. That's it. That's really it. Because I can't really say much. If you don't see the SMT there, you don't get in as early as you would. SMT is the first one. So, it's the first video. So, overall, I make around the same money, but I was risking 1.5% here, and 1% here. I do want to write this on. I do have the sheets, so we can go through it. Okay, this is my shift for here. Today, the first trade was 1347.5, and the second trade was 1190. Okay, so overall, 2613. 25.37. So I made less money, but I'm also only risking 1% per trade. All right, though, we'll get back in. I just don't want to make like a 3-hour long video because, you know, let's chill out. All right, y'all. Peace out.